how to add size chart in TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add a size chart to your clothes on your products. So first things first, let's add product over here. And under category, make sure that you're selecting clothes. So for example, women's top. And typically over here, as you can see, you will be able to select a size chart. And over here, you could create a size chart just like this. And then simply select the different options over here available. Now, it is not going to be available, or this size chart option over here is not going to be available when the category that you have selected is not a clothing. So for example, over here, kitchenware, kitchen knives over here, it will not show us the size chart option over here. So you have to have the proper category selected for it to show up for you guys. So that's basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.